right now we're gonna switch gears to makeup because you gotta look good to feel good to play good.
That's true.
But it's fall here in New England, which means that the wedding season, it's not slowing down. It's actually ramping up.
Yeah, it's definitely the most popular time to get married in New England. So as you get ready to transition your makeup to the fall, guess you're going to have an expert tell you how to do it, actually. So we have South Shore's own Camryn Shaw of Leigh Beauty. You're going to teach us everything that we need to know, right?
Yes.
I'm so excited for this.
Yes.
So what are you seeing for fall makeup trends for brides, but also bridesmaids and guests and things like that?
So I'm getting more requests on less dewy, glowy makeup and more of that satin airbrush finish.
Okay.
And so definitely taking a shift back from that.
Yeah.
And it's all about the skin and the matte eyes and the matte face. And
so how do you do that without looking cakey?
So yes, I can demonstrate.
Yes,
That would be amazing
Yes.
because I feel like that's where we kind of get a little bit of a hiccup, right? Is
Yeah.
that you want to look natural.
Exactly. So I do a light setting powder, but I also go in with a little highlighter. And you don't want to go crazy. I think it's less is more in my opinion.
So people can still see you.
So I just use a little bit of a highlighter, which I love, the Dior. It's so pretty and very subtle.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, and I just do a very subtle on the high points of the cheekbones.
Okay.
And it comes out very light, so it's not going to overpower.
Yeah.
And then I do a little bit on the bridge of the nose, little here,
Oh.
a little here. I'm doing a little mix,
Okay.
and that's all you need. I feel like again, less is more.
I know. Less is more.
Yes,
Less
definitely.
Is more.
So
Okay.
I keep that. Yeah, keep that
That's
pretty
great.
light.
That's great. Okay.
In the eyes, you're seeing a trend with matte on the eyes this season as well?
I always say, and I feel like I get requests from brides, is just a little bit of a wash of bronzer on the eyes, and that's really all you need. I know, if you just want to keep it
You're saving
simple.
your makeup bills, by the way, too.
So all you do is, just close your eyes, and I'm just going to do like a very light wash.
Look at that.
And that's honestly, and if you really want to go crazy and elevate it, you can do a smoked out liner, and I usually just use a dark shadow for that, and I'm going to use the darkest.
Again, what I'm hearing you say is natural, light, simple. Like we're not doing the harsh anything.
Yeah, that's kind of that's made its way out a little bit.
Okay.
I mean, it's the time and place for that, but I feel like.
So before we go, I'm a big fan of the Patrick Cha. I actually used it this morning, not an ad, but you're going to show us how you used it on Emily as well.
Yes, definitely.
So talk us through that, please.
Yes, I
gotcha.
Sorry, I usually I'm going to just do a little of the cream, which normally I would have a disposable, but I don't have one right here. So I'm just using the cream part, and we're definitely going for a more berry tone in the fall.
Okay, so
versus that Barbie pinks blush we've been seeing, which I love still, but this is.
Look at how gorgeous that is.
We're having a moment here.
Smile, Emily. All right, before we go, where can we find you on Instagram for all these tips and tricks on a regular basis?
You can find me on my Instagram at Camryn Leigh Beauty.
Camryn, right?
Yes.
Okay, make sure you find her.
Leigh.
Camryn Leigh Beauty. Well, Camryn, thanks for being here, ladies. You look
so
beautiful.
much.
If you guys, we want to see how you look too, so tag us on Instagram if you try these.